dim. That's the dim light for the main light. Hello lovely people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gratus Lucado. If you are new here, what I do on this channel is a review video on technological stuffs that I handcrafted myself. I'm from Ghana and I'm a young inventor. So in today's video, I'm showing you a car that I built myself and then the lighting system to it. So I will be reviewing the highlights, the dim light, the navigator lights, the backlight, reversing light, and then the parking light, and then also some lights, signal lights on my dashboard that I made myself, and then also some controls on the steering wheel which are serving as a switch to the car. So without much ado, this is one of my favorite videos. I can't wait to show it to you. So let's jump right into it. Okay, this is Gratus Lucado and this is a short video on my car, the car that I'm modeling. So on my steering wheel I have the navigator, so that's the right navigator switching on. There's one on the mirror and then there's one in front. I also have some at the rear, and then I have the navigator signal lights on my dashboard. It's a very small dashboard, so the same applies to the left. So I have my signal here, and then here I have my highlights, and then I have my dim. That's the dim light for the main light, and I have some disco there, and then to the parking, another parking light. This is the main light, and then on the steering wheel I have the controls. So this is my navigator left, this is my navigator the right, and here I have my horn. Wow. So if you go behind me, I have the parking light. So that's the parking light on. And then I have my brake lights. Just a minute. So that's my brake lights. And I also have reversing light. Oh, okay, that's my reversing light. Yet to be fixed. So thank you guys. That's Gratus Lucado coming up soon. Thank you guys, because I know you have enjoyed that video, because it's one of my favorite video and I know it's gonna be your favorite too. So don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. Leave your suggestions. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you are new to this channel, think of subscribing to the channel, because I will be reviewing more interesting videos. Remember, it's Gratus Lucado, a young inventor from Ghana. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.